Hello everyone, here with another unboxing. This time it's the Lego Creator roller coaster, 16 plus, 10261 is the set number, 4,124 pieces. This is one hell of a box, as you can see. It's a bit of a monster. This has been out again for a few years now, and there's talk of it retiring this year, so I thought I'd better pick it up. So yeah. Let's have a look inside and see what we've got. A couple of boxes in there, so let's get those out. Well, there's a lot of Lego in here. So first we have bag 6, small pieces, some leaf pieces there. I've not seen those before. Bag 10. Bag 6, so green tile pieces. Cool. Just a bag of track pieces and some green plates there. And we have some more green plates. We've got 3 large ones and 2 smaller ones in there. We have bag 10. Another bag of track pieces and 1 grey base plate. And we have bag 7, some more white column pieces. Bag 6. Kind of dark tan coloured bits there, reminiscent of the Harry Potter castle that I built a while ago. So more track pieces. Bag 9. Various Mythmasher pieces in here, some figures in there as well. And some base plates. Small bag 10. What's going on in there? Another bag 10. Various bits and bobs in there. And we have a bag 9. The box is so big. Look at that. There we go. Bag 7. Quite a large cog there. And another bag 7. More of these octagon style pieces. Small bag 10. And a medium bag 9. Medium bag 7. Large bag 8 with not a lot in it. Lots of greenery bits and various decorative items on the next of it. Some more figure pieces in there. And then the last bag we've got in this box anyway is bag 8. Again, some more figures. Some base plates. Cool, so let's get rid of this big box. Put that over there. Sort the pieces out a little bit. 7, 10, 9, 10, 6, 6. So let's have a look in one of these boxes then. So I'll just get to open it like this. I don't like it when they use these push-in openings because you leaves the box in a bit of a mess. There we go. So we've got bag 1, lots of green tiles. Imagine these would be for the base plates to begin with. Another bag 1. Just got the candy floss there. Candy floss stall lid, umbrella. This is going to be very good build. We've got bag 2. Some more column pieces by the looks of it. Bag 1. A scaredy face or figurehead there. Very funny. There we go. Bag 2. Lots of these pieces. Tile pieces. Interesting. Nice out of the way. Some more base plates. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base plates. We have the manuals. Pretty cool. We'll look at those in a minute. And bag 2. A bit more of these Opticon pieces. And some more base plates. So we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push that box down. Just toss the bag there. And then we've got this other box. Go, same again. Release the bags. So we've got some more track pieces. And then we have a bag 11. Some more figureheads in there. Another bag 11. Another bag 11. Large bag 11. Interesting pieces here. Oh, I'm losing base plates now. Cool. So many bags for this set. Crazy. Bag 3. There's a bag 5. Just some cogs and various bits in here, sort of Technic-y style bits. And we have a bag 11 with just like some chain links, very small. Like that. Another bag 3. Some dark blue, some creamy white. Some more chain links, bag 11. We have a bag 5. Sort of Technic-y bits in there. And some more chain links, bag 11. And then a bag 4. Yet more of these Opticon pieces. I'm interested to see where these are going to be used. 4. Never ending. Bag 11. Some more chain links. And then bag 5. And a couple of boxes in here. They'll contain something delicate of some sort. 5. Another bag 4. Some white and creamy pieces, lots of yellow and red sticks, Technic sticks. And we have another bag 4, some more of these column pieces. Bag 3. Various bits in there. Finally we have another bag 3, some more column pieces. So, wow, that took a bit longer than I anticipated. So, let's have a count of the bags. So where are we? 11. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 bags. And then of course we have some base plates. In fact, I think I lost another bag. Oops. On the floor there. So we've got another bag, 10 on the floor. Bag of base plates. So we've done 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 bags. Wow. Okay, let's have a quick look at these manuals. Not too many stickers, which is good. Considering it's a couple of years old, I'm surprised by that. So let's have a look in the bag. Get this open. So there's the stickers. Do not stand up, I quite like that, it's quite good. And we've got the photo booth, ticket booth, G stand, candy floss, cotton candy. Very cool. So we have book 1. Wow, this looks really good. So here we can see different stages. Book 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. First half, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second half, and then 11 is making it a bit bigger. So there we go. We've got a number of minifigures with this. So let's have a look. 174 steps in the first book, and then book 2 is a bit thicker. Compare the sizes. Book 1, book 2, book 2. We have some information about the motors. Now I've bought the Liebherr Technic digger, and I'm hoping I can use the motors from that to actually connect to this. But I'll have to see. So we've got 475 steps in this book, and we have 174 in there. I assume they don't carry on. Oh, they do. So 475 in total. Doesn't sound like much, but I think it's going to be a pretty long build. This does look very cool. All those white pieces there. Looking forward to this very much. So that's about it from me for now. Keep an eye out for more unboxing videos, and as always, please like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. Thanks very much. See you soon.